We'll guide you through how to make random team in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before moving to the next step. Once the application is ready, click on Blank Workbook to create a new file so you can work from a clean worksheet. Make sure the first worksheet is active and ready for editing. In the first column, start typing the names of all participants who will be divided into teams. You may type the names manually one by one, or copy and paste them from another document if you already have the list prepared. Ensure there are no empty cells between the names because blank cells can interfere with the randomization process. After entering all the names, review the list carefully to confirm that every participant has been included correctly. Next, move to the next column and prepare space for the team results. Before assigning teams, decide how many teams you want to create based on the total number of participants. At the top of another column, type your team names, such as GuideHub Team, Team 2, Team 3, or any custom names you prefer. Create as many team labels as necessary. Then insert another empty column beside the team column to generate random numbers. Click the first empty cell in that new column. Type an equals sign to begin a formula, then type RAN and close the bracket. Press Enter, and a random number will appear in the cell. Click that same cell again and drag the fill handle down to the last participant, so each name receives its own random number. Confirm that all participants now have different random values displayed next to their names. Now click the first cell under the team assignment column. Type an equals sign, then type wrap browse and open the bracket. Select and block all participant names. Type a comma or semicolon depending on your Excel settings, then enter the total number of teams, for example 3. Close the bracket and press Enter to apply the formula. Check that the names are distributed evenly into teams. Add different fill colors to each team name to clearly distinguish them. And finally, save your Excel file to keep the random team results.